Well, my advice would be call your rep, order a camera right now, have it shipped to your location, and put it up in your office. You will see how quick and how easy that camera is to set up, to install, and to configure. Okay. Once you've done that one camera in your office, you're ready to tackle any install out there essentially. All you're now doing is looking at how many views you need, anything that any good dealer would be doing anyways. So get exposed to it. If you feel hesitant, don't. Get one in your hands and see what the difference is.